Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So if we come right here, we are going to demonstrate on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. You have two fuse boxes, but we work in just one of the fuse boxes that's located right under the hood in the engine bay. You can see that's your car battery right behind it. If I zoom in, you will clearly see that you have a fuse box right here. You remove that cover, and once you remove the cover, guys, you will have a fuse box that will look just like this one. This will be the front of the truck, this towards the back. Now let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So you can see, guys, you have like three different kinds of relays, fuses that are Ford specific in some cases. They could be really hard to find in small towns. At part stores they can be overpriced, or if you're stuck without a fuse or relay in the middle of nowhere, you may not be able to drive. So we'll recommend, guys, to keep some spares in the glove box of your F-150. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price and quick shipping. The fuse that we need to check, guys, will be in that fuse row right here. The one for the rear console serial lighter will be fuse number 1, 2, 3. Third one from bottom to top, or 1, 2, that second one, guys, from top to bottom, known as fuse number 91. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.